What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to start your own mobile pet grooming service. So with that being said, let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Alright, wealth builders. So basically, when it comes to anything nowadays, everything is mobile, right? Everybody wants to be mobile. Everybody's getting, food delivered to them, medicine delivered to them, clothes delivered to them. Like you can't even dine out anymore. Most people don't even dine out anymore. They get everything delivered to them. So why wouldn't you think a grooming service wouldn't be mobile? So like I said, in today's video, we're gonna talk about setting up your own mobile grooming service. Okay, so let's get it. All right, so step one. All right, your number one step is to get a license. Okay, you have to be a licensed groomer. You can't just go out and start grooming dogs and cats and things like that just because you want to and all that good stuff. You got to be licensed to do it. Okay, so definitely learn how to be licensed. There's a link below. You can check that out and you can learn how to be a licensed pet groomer, basically. Step two. Right. Step two is easy, okay? You got to get your LLC. There is no other way to start a business nowadays. You need to get your LLC, because if you don't get your LLC, then you don't really have a business, okay? You can start off with your EIN number and all that good stuff, but an LLC gives you the ability to be insured, okay? And being insured is the number one thing you gotta be when you start a grooming service, okay? Because you're gonna be with people's dogs and cats and all this good stuff. So you wanna make sure that you are licensed and insured. Next step, you gotta have a van, okay? You can't be a mobile grooming pet service without a van. That is a no-go, okay? And with that being said, you can easily buy a van from a lot of different places, okay? And you can also start off by renting a van, which is cool too, but in my opinion, you wanna buy a van. I would buy a used van, because a used van, is less capital to get started, and it'll be easy to find one. So you can start off with something like maybe like those new delivery trucks that they have out there nowadays. You can definitely use that size of a van. It doesn't have to be anything big, okay? It can have maybe 4 seats in it and all that good stuff. So you definitely want to check that out, okay? That's your first purchase when it comes to setting up your mobile grooming service. Next step would be, you need to go ahead and purchase your grooming kit, your pet groomer's kit, okay? There is nothing else you want to purchase. You definitely want to get that, because if you don't get your pet grooming service, your pet grooming equipment, then you're not really a pet groomer, right? So you definitely want to get that going, because that's essential, okay? So go ahead, click the link below and get that. All right. Okay, so now that you have your van, your LLC, your groomer kit, all that good stuff, so now you want to go ahead and start marketing, okay? And this is honestly one of the easiest parts of starting a pet grooming service, because you can market to a lot of people. There's millions and millions of people that love their pets and need their pets groomed, okay? So you can easily start with flyers. You can start with Facebook ads. You can do Bing ads. You can do anything like that, and you can definitely start getting you a customer base, okay? There's a lot of other ways to market. Also, you can do EDM, which is every door delivery through the USPS, okay? And you will reach a lot of different people, because you can focus on the type of demographic that has pets, okay? So that's definitely something you want to look into, because focusing on a certain type of demographic is the way you'll be more successful, get more customers, and AKA make more money. All right, so now that you have the blueprint to starting your mobile grooming service, your next step, and the biggest step is getting your website and starting collect emails through your website, okay? And that is definitely a big step, because getting your own customer base is a definitely good look for any type of business, especially service businesses, okay? And the ones that garner a great email list make the most money on demand and get so much income is ridiculous, okay? So definitely do that. And also another tip and another trick that you need to get involved with is YouTube, okay? You definitely need to set up your YouTube channel and do grooming tips for cats and dogs. That's so you can make a separate income from your mobile grooming service through a YouTube video. So there you have it, my wealth builders. Okay, this is how you start your mobile pet grooming service. I know this was a different video, you know what I'm saying? I had to step outside and show y'all a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just walk around and do something different. But thanks for watching. Go ahead, check all the links in the description. Learn how my #1 way to make money online. Okay, click that link also down below, is the Wealth Builder System. Until next time, folks, it's your boy Devon signing off for how to start your own mobile grooming pet service. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.